Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language courses we offer. This morning in class, one of my students told a great story about a run-in that she recently had with her boss. She used to be a lawyer, this student, but now she's an English language teacher, and she needed to take a couple of days off work. So before she went in to talk to her boss, she just checked her legal rights. When she went in and asked for time off, the boss basically just flat out refused. And so she then quoted her legal rights to him, at which point he got incredibly annoyed and started screaming and shouting at her, saying, "You've got a cheek coming in here telling me about your rights. Who the hell do you think you are?" Of course, she did still get the time off and kept her job because she knew her rights. If you say that someone has a cheek doing something, it means that you're annoyed and shocked at something they're doing because you think it's unreasonable. For example, you might sort of have had an argument with someone, maybe you've fallen out with someone, and you hear through a friend that they want you to apologise. And you kind of get angry saying, "God, he's got a cheek suggesting that I should be the one to apologise first. How dare he?" Sometimes when I'm watching politicians on television and I hear them start talking about honesty and decency in politics, I get annoyed and I start ranting to my wife saying, "God, he's got a cheek, that guy, talking about honesty and decency in politics after everything he's done." And one of my favourite viral videos last year was of an elderly lady shouting at Boris Johnson, our Prime Minister, who turned up in an area that had been flooded after refusing to increase the amount of money available to build flood defences. When he arrived and went on a walkabout around this little town, this little old lady came up to him and started shouting, saying, "You've got a cheek coming here after everything that you've failed to do. How dare you?" If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people find out about what we do. Please share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you think you might use "You've got a cheek, he's got a cheek, she's got a cheek, they've got a cheek."